G'day guys, Aaron Beestock. This is my exhaust back pressure testing rig. It's just a shop tool, mechanical gauge, a cup, a generous length of tube. I've got an adapter here for the temperature variation so we don't melt the tube off, obviously. I've got a couple of piggybacked brass fittings, so 1/8 MPT, which is common on this kind of brass kit anyway. And then I've gone to an O2 sensor port. So in this configuration, you can see that she's all black, so I've actually been using it on the exhaust. What I do is I wind out the O2 sensor and I wind this in, and we'll go into a dyno pull or a run or whatever we're trying to do, and we can watch the gauge live. What we're looking for is exhaust back pressure. Excessive exhaust back pressure hurts performance, hurts power, hurts spool, all those kind of things. So we want to have a quick measure if we're having an issue and we're not making the power we're looking for. What are the numbers? Well, typically 1 to 2 pound back pressure is really, really good. Obviously, 1 or less is ideal. 3 to 5 pounds is sort of starting to hurt a bit of horsepower. Above 5, you've got a lot of work to do. It's choking it. You'll see this thing's not quite zero anymore. She's been used and abused had quite a few years. So this is the new zero. It's just how it is. So we can test anything vacuum or pressure. So we can screw with the 1/8 MPT, we can screw into intercools, manifolds, whatever. It's just a shop tool. It gets beat up, poor thing. I use this so then we can zip tie it to an air vent or a steering column, or tuck it in under the carpet if it's got a dash mat, whatever, doesn't matter. And with the length here, we can go in through the floor, up through the firewall, straight out around the outside of the car and tape it to the car if we have to, like whatever gets the job done. It's just a quick, easy reference tool. If you're actually looking for real data and you want to log it, obviously you'd put a sensor in here and run it through the ECU, which is not what we're trying to achieve here. We're just looking for a quick fault find. But this works really well. It's just an old boost gauge I bought somewhere, gauge, cup, like it's pretty basic stuff, but the information it gives you is amazing. Typically, the needle won't move very much, if at all, until higher in the RPM range, and obviously if it's mid-range near peak torque and it's moving, you're probably got an exhaust issue you need to go and deal with. You know, you've got a choked muffler, a choked cat, too small exhaust pipe, bad bends, whatever that is. Most cars, you're higher in the RPM range before you really see the needle move, which is ideal, you know. If you're seeing 6 or 7 pounds of back pressure at like 5,000 RPM, yeah, you're done. You got some work to do. But it's a quick, easy test tool. Another one of those shop tools that I have buried on the shelf. It's easy to make, it's cheap. Nearly all these parts are available at any decent auto shop. Build yourself one, do a bit of testing. Let me know how you go.